Hello everyone, here we will see the hover effect in a button. Here we will take one index.html file and one style.css file. So we connect this index.html file to style.css file through href. So we will first create one div dot button box, and inside this div we will create two buttons. Here we have created two buttons, and now we will give this button to a name button 1 and button 2. So as we know, we have given we created two buttons, button 1 and button 2. Here we can see these two buttons in the corner, top left corner, button 1 and button 2. Here first we will perform the CSS effect in the button box class. We will set its position to relative. Its top is 200 pixel and left is 500 pixel. Here we can see the distance of the button from the top is 200 pixel and the distance from the left is 500 pixel. Now we will perform the CSS in button box dot button. We will set its height to 50 pixel and width 90 pixel. This height is the height of the button and the width of the button. Now we will set margin 20 pixel. And background is red color. Here we can see the height of the button is 50 pixel, its width is 90 pixel and the margin is 20 pixel and the background color is red. Now we will set the color of the text inside the button is green. Color is green and font size is 20 pixel. You can see that the color of the font is green and its size is 20 pixel. Now we will perform the hover effect in a button box dot button hover. Now when we hover in a button, we set its height to 80 pixel, width 130 pixel, margin 40 pixel, padding 20 pixel and 10 pixel. The padding 20 pixel is from top and down and 10 pixel is from left and right. So we will set the cursor to pointer. Here we can see that when we hover in a button, its height become 80 pixel. Its height become 80 pixel, width 130 pixel, margin 40 pixel, and Padding means the space inside the border. Po- and the cursor is pointer. As we can see that the cursor is pointer. Here we will also change the color of font and its size when we hover over the. Now we will set the background color. Background color is black and the color of the font white. Color white. And border radius to 20 pixel. And border 4 pixel solid yellow. Here we can see that when we hover in a button, its background color is red. The font color of the text is dark green, and the border is of gray or black color. So now after performing this effect, we can see that the background color became black. Background color is black, and the font color is the color of the font is white. The border color is yellow. This is 4 pixel solid yellow color, and the border is 20 pixel. Border radius is 20 pixel.